Might not be able to see it perfectly clear, but it is raining cats and dogs right now. You see the water pouring out, a little thunder, a little lightning. Kind of a refreshing morning, but lately in Minnesota, if we've been getting rain, it's been evening and overnight, not right away in the morning. So, showing my video, staying dry in the garage, showing my video of the rain and how it is really piling up. So you can turn off your sprinklers to help the grass stay green. Our grass is already pretty green. Definitely gray.